Alright, so what happened, guys?
Totally fucked up.
That took us to a ferry.
So, we're taking a boat ride.
We're cruise.
Yeah. This is canceling out the other redneck activities we do.
Where are the strippers?
Strippers?
Hopefully, there's strippers on that side. Here comes another ferry. I mean cruise ship. Oh, it's windy as hell.
How does this cost nothing?
The road. It actually doesn't cost nothing. All your tax money is going to this.
Yeah.
And Brent's salary.
Yeah, and myself.
Dude, that's on my work order sheets. I always get PM Ferry. 9,000 gallons of oil.
Interesting. What up, Ferry? Cars are down there. All these cars. Look at that heat.